Hi there. In this video, we are going to cover how to create a GTD dashboard in Notion. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by the sheer volume of tasks, projects, and responsibilities piling up, you're not alone. Many of us struggle to stay organized and productive, often finding ourselves lost in a sea of sticky notes, reminders, and scattered digital lists. That's where a GTD, or Getting Things Done, dashboard in Notion comes in. With this tool, you can transform your chaotic workflow into a streamlined, efficient productivity hub. By the end of this video, you'll have a customized space where all your tasks and projects coexist harmoniously, making it easier for you to focus on what truly matters. Now, let's dive into the process of creating this GTD dashboard in Notion. We'll be using a free template, which is a fantastic starting point, especially if you're not keen on spending hours designing from scratch. Templates designed by productivity experts offer a polished and cohesive look, allowing you to concentrate on managing tasks rather than getting bogged down in design choices. To begin, open your Notion workspace. Look towards the top left corner, where you'll notice a small drop-down arrow. Clicking this arrow will reveal the main menu, which includes several hidden options. One of these is the Browse Templates option. Select it. In the search bar that appears, type GTD Dashboard. You will be presented with a range of template options. Take your time to explore them. Each template might vary slightly in layout, color scheme, or the databases it includes. Choose one that resonates with you or complements your workflow style. Remember, this choice isn't permanent. You can always switch templates or customize them later to better suit your needs. Once you've settled on a template, select it and click the Add or Use this template button. This action will import the entire dashboard into your Notion workspace. Depending on the size and complexity of the template, this might take a few moments. Be patient during this process. With the template in place, it's time to make it uniquely yours. Start by personalizing the dashboard with your credentials. This could involve replacing placeholder names with actual project titles or responsibilities. For instance, if the template includes a project database, you can replace sample projects with your current ones. Similarly, if there are sections labeled Inbox or Next Actions, begin populating them with your real tasks. This step not only makes the dashboard more relevant, but also ignites the motivation to dive into your tasks. Customization is where Notion truly shines. You have the flexibility to adjust every aspect of the template. Consider changing icons, tweaking page covers, or even adding extra databases for additional needs like meeting notes or a reading list. If you're visually inclined, incorporate custom headers or a bit of color to highlight important lists or sections. Keep in mind, personalization is an ongoing process. As you interact with the dashboard, you'll naturally refine it to better fit your evolving workflow. And just like that, you've created a professional-looking GTD dashboard in Notion using a free template. This approach saves you hours of setup time, allowing you to focus your energy on what matters most, getting things done. If you found this walkthrough beneficial, don't forget to express your support by liking the video. Feel free to leave any questions or requests for more tutorials in the comments. Hopefully, this tutorial helped you understand how to create a GTD dashboard in Notion quickly and easily. For more helpful guides like this one, be sure to subscribe.